Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a short on YouTube. I've been asked this question a lot and I've struggled to find it and do it for the first time, so this is a little bit of a tutorial for the people who don't know really how to do it. It's pretty easy, it takes 5 minutes if you already have your footage, and it's a great way to get out there and get your content to other people using the algorithm. So first step, obviously you need a clip. So I'm gonna go there. I already have my clip and I already have my footage, so I already know what I'm supposed to be doing. So then you're gonna go into your editing software. I use Premiere Pro, but you can use whatever you want. You give YouTube Shorts example. You give a name, doesn't really matter. So you create this. Then you're gonna go into File, New, Sequence. You're gonna go to the settings and you're gonna choose DSLR. You choose this so you can change the format. Otherwise, like the normal one, the base one, you can't change those numbers. So you need to make sure to change this. This is a very important step. So you need to put it in horizontal, okay? I mean, you need to put it like as mobile. So it needs to be like this. You can't have the video like you have a normal movie, you have a normal video like this video is. It needs to be mobile format. So we put 1080, 1920. You know, it's basically just like this. It's normal format. And then you're done. You're gonna select your footage. So I'm gonna use whatever I find. It doesn't really matter. Here, yes, I want to keep the existing settings. So, but now here, usually if you're using, for example, a footage that is, well, vertical, and if you're using a footage that is horizontal and not vertical, you find yourself in this situation where you have those black screens here. So first of all, so this is a clip for me playing League of Legends during my live stream. And I want to be able to see my face, so I adjust it a little bit so you can see my face and you can see the play as well. But I don't like those black bars. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make sure we take only the video one. I mean, you can take the sound and delete it as well. You know, I just click on this, stop it from being linked with one another. You select this, you do copy, you paste it twice, and you're gonna put those two here, and that's it for now. So we have those two footage here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one and we're gonna just put it on top like this. It doesn't have to be really well made, doesn't really matter, because then we're gonna add a little bit of an effect. We put the other one at the bottom, then we're gonna go to effects, we're gonna go to blurry. We find the Gaussian blur. I'm sorry if it's my Adobe Premiere Pro is in French, so forgive me if you're not using the same, but pretty much we just look for blurriness in the effects. We go to the effects, we put the blurriness at 100% on both of those. Boom, boom. And then we're gonna take the original clip. We're gonna put this in the foreground, so we're gonna put this at the top, and the two others, we're gonna put this at the bottom. So we have a clean, you know, we have a clean, sorry for the sound. We have a clean footage of us, like, with no black bars. It looks way better, way more professional. That was so clean. That was the footage, okay? So we got this. Now, how do we do it? We just do it like a regular video. We export it. I like to put it in high, like corresponding to the source, so it stays in like mobile format, and just export it whenever you want, however you want to call it. I'll call this YouTube test footage. Boom, save. There you go. Export. It's taking a few seconds. It's not long videos, right? So now we have this YouTube test footage right here. Let me show you the result. And you may be wondering, so how do we upload this to YouTube now? This is, you know, this is the footage. So it's a short video, you know, it's just like how you see it. That was so clean. There it is. That's pretty much what it is. So now you need to go onto YouTube and you're gonna do just like a regular upload. Let me show you guys. So this is my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, to drop a follow and subscribe. You know how we do it. Shit, what am I doing? So we do go to creator, creator thing, upload a video. So now we're gonna select the file that we just made, YouTube test footage. Okay, so now is the second most important step. So there's only two things you absolutely need to be doing. The first one is put the format in 1080, 1920. It's important. You can't, it's not going to upload as a short if you don't do that. Second most important thing is you need short, hashtag shorts, either in the title or the description. You don't need to put in the two of them. Me personally, because I'm scared, I always put it in the two of them, like in the description and in the title. So I'm sure it's here, right? Then you upload it like a normal video. You can put in a playlist. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter at this point. The only thing that matters is the title of the short. It doesn't work like a normal video. The tags don't actually make it so that your short video is going to be seen more. It's more about the title. And then, well, once you're done with this, you just go next, 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 public, publish. And that's it. That's legit it. We're done with it. You have your video on shorts. It's going to be super easily to access. You can see it on mobile. You can see it and you can get exposition. And I struggled myself to find like a good tutorial that tells you everything you need to do, from the format of the video to the editing to how to make it look good to how to upload it on YouTube. So now you have your short and that's finished and we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, you know the drill. I'm not going to say it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you later. Bye bye guys.